Today we are going to learn the Victorian era and Victorian poetry. This is the background question of Victorian era. The Victorian era is a historical cultural overview. The Queen Victoria ascended the throne in 1837 and the ruled for 64 years over England. 1837 to 1901, she worked hard for her people, dele- delegated leadership well. England reached the height of its economic and political power. London swelled in population, while there were plenty of problems, poverty, disease, etc. The nation's ills were being ratified. There are some Victorian characteristics. First is the realism, focus on masses, pessimism, science and technology, questioning on to God, sense of responsibility, morality, interest in medieval myths and folklores. First is the realism. Realism, it means there are various types of characteristics in this Victorian poetry. Realism is the mainly characteristics in this poetry. Realism, it means the realism of the Victorian age. It means the realism is the over Victorian era. And second is focus on masses. This is also important characteristics on Victorian poetry. Pessimism is the Victorian characteristics. It means pessimism means positive attitude over England. And science and technology. Science and technology means conflict between religion and science. There are the one most important characteristics of Victorian poetry is the conflict between religion and science. Science was the upheld during this period. However, the some poets still remained stuck to religion. Browning praised religion. He said, "God is in the heaven. All the is right with the world, or not to regrets for the loss of faith and religion." But some poets like Fitz, Fitzgerald and Morris wrote about scientific values. The poets like Tennyson, on the contrary, aim at the compromise of science and religion. Questioning on God, it means there are conflict between the religion and science, so it's scientifically there are questioning. And it is a optimistic or optimistic relation with the questioning on God. Sense, there are sense of responsibility. It means there are there is also the Victorian authors of Victorian moral. And the sense of responsibility, it means this is the all poets and readers, there are these are the sense feeling, the sense of responsibility. Morality is the also the one of the major characteristics on the this poetry. Morality of the poem. Interest in medieval myths and folklores. This is also the one of the important characteristics on Victorian period. Interest in medieval myths and folklores. Pessimism and optimism. This is also the entire characteristics in this poetry. Tennyson in Memoriam, Arnold in Memorial versus highly melancholy poems. This is the age bears the note of optimism too. Optimism is the Browning poet, and this poetry are the optimistic. The romantic poetry and Victorian poetry, there are some verses. It means a difference of those poems. Romantic poetry was produced during the reign of Victoria, Queen Victoria, and in the Victorian poetry was the produced during the approximate period from 80s and 80s 50. Romantic poetry used themes such as of nature, pastoral life, medievalism, Hellenism, and supernaturalism. Victorian poetry used medieval myths and legend as well as realistic issues such as the struggle between science and religion. Romantic poetry means revered and admired nature. Victorian poetry treated nature in more realistic and less idealized view. Romantic poetry gave prominence to emotion, imagination, and spontaneity. Victorian poetry gave more importance to intellect and realism. These are the differences of romantic poetry and Victorian poetry. Thank you.